Hello, my name is Ashlyn and I have a corporate relations role here at Club Sparkle. We're a lifestyle company that specializes in wellness and beauty products that are very successful in Japan, and we're now making our way into America. I wanted to get on video today and share some information with you about Nectura, our anti-aging wellness drink. Nectura is the delicious way to wellness. No other formula compares to the superb quality, the taste, and the results people are getting, and how fun and multi-purpose this product is. Nectura is made in America, but was formulated in Japan and approved by Japan's Ministry of Health, which holds the strictest standards for human consumption products in the world. This unique proprietary formula is a super concentrated blend of 120 health-enhancing ingredients, including 47 phytonutrients, antioxidant extracts, 72 natural ionic minerals, and organic germanium GE132. Nectura contains no artificial colors, sweeteners, flavors, hydrogenated, or genetically modified ingredients. It's completely pure and natural and safe for all ages. There are so many ways you and your family can enjoy Nectura: in concentrated form or when used in food recipes. You can use Nectura in smoothies, on pancakes, waffles, and parfaits, to make popsicles, as a marinade for your favorite meats. The possibilities are endless. With Nectura, adding good health to your lifestyle is so simple and delicious. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Nectura, please drop them down below.